welcome back again to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the red button and you're gonna see a lot of fun stuff. But today I'm going to sing for you guys, which I know, don't run, okay? But it's not just singing. What I'm gonna do is I really wanted to give a review with this Bluetooth microphone, which is Pop Soul tzumi. So if you don't have money to buy the karaoke machine, or you know, it's gonna cost you $100 to $200, so that's kind of not so cheap. So but this is only $20. We bought this from Walmart, and for me it's really good. But let me show you guys, for $20 it's so affordable, you can take it everywhere. That's why I love it. And my voice is bad. I'm about to sing, but my voice is hurting already. I'm just talking. Okay, I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's start! Okay, let's start!
Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set it free. I can catch the moon in my hand. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People will sing and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my name. Baby, hold me tight, 'cause you can make it right. I can run you up my leg. Give me love and take all I've got to give. Baby, I'll be told too much is not